Acha, okay. Okay, the topic is what are the various ways to improve the conversational skills? Please write it down, jot down, and then we can start. Sakshi, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
All right. What are the various ways to improve the conversational skills?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji written.
Okay, Taisha, you have written.
Yes.
Okay, go on.
Sorry, I couldn't get.
Yeah,
What you said?
start.
I thought this is a question. You're gonna start.
No, no, you have to tell me what are the various ways to improve the conversation skills. That is, I have given you time. That is why I have given you time.
Acha, I need to write it
Ha
and
ha
speak
ha.
to you.
Ha ha ha. You have to write and then we will start another 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Then Malvika, can I start? Meanwhile, Taisha is writing the points.
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है, you can start. हाँ.
Okay. So in my perspective, to make a conversation, so
Truthful.
good, fruitful. First thing I feel that everyone, one should have a patience, like means to listen others talk,
Hmm.
because sometimes we just listen others to reply.
Hmm.
We never in the mode of listening their problem or listening their talks. We were just in heart we just getting ready for the reply only.
Hmm. Hmm.
So this is the I feel this is the main problem, because we need patience to listen the other person. So
Hmm.
this is a basic thing of a conversation, I feel.
Hmm.
And the second thing is that we should concentrate on the like detail thing. That sometimes we just overjudge the things, like from their sometimes from their I can say external knowledge. We just overjudge the things, or overjudge the conversation, or overjudge the talk of other person. So if we are not sure, then we just go we should get into the details to get that conversation in a good way.
Hmm.
So these are the 2 points I feel that one should apply every time,
Right.
when he or she in a good when he or she in a conversation. And the
Hmm.
third thing I feel for myself is, especially for myself, is that everyone should talk slowly. Sometimes when I get nervous, or when I have I have knowledge of something, so I start talking very in a very hurry way, I think
Hmm.
hurriedly. So I
Hmm.
start talking like and sometimes at that point of time I skip the main thing of that main extract of that conversation, I feel.
Hmm.
So this is the thing I feel with myself, that while conversation, if someone has this kind of problem, so one should talk slowly, so that we can bring out every small point from that conversation, or we can discuss on the small topics as well.
Hmm.
So this is my perspective about a conversation.
Okay, right. Taisha, you have written.
Yes, some of.
Yeah,
Okay.
write the whole, then we can start. Sakshi, in the meantime, you can take the
Mm,
second topic.
okay.
What makes you laugh aloud?
Okay. Fine. Malvika, did Minu talk to you
Yeah,
regarding the?
she
Okay.
messaged that she will not be coming.
Okay. Means for how many days?
Days, so she has not told, but she has told so that she will not be joining.
Uh,
I think on 20th April she said,
mm,
I will be there at 5. Then she
mm,
said, I will not be joining.
mm,
Then later she said, my father passed away. I don't know, up till now she has not joined.
mm,
And that is,
maybe after 13 or 14 days or
yeah,
some
13 days she
means,
has to. Yeah,
yeah, and or maybe it can take more time.
yes, maybe.
Mm. Mhm. Can I start, Malvika, with the second topic?
You have points in your mind?
Yeah, a few points are
Okay.
there in my
Yeah,
mind.
what makes you laugh aloud?
Okay. Actually, in today's time or in today's life, there is so much stress, I feel, because of this pandemic only. Uh, you know, so it's been a long time that I have laughed out loud, but still there are lots of things which makes me, laugh harder. Like you can say, there is one incident when I was in the hostel, because we were the group of I think 7 to 8 girls,
Hmm.
and one of our friend was not feeling well, so she said to us that I will be in the room, I will stay in the room, and you guys go and have the dinner. Then
Hmm.
we went for dinner, and when we came back, we opened the door, and she was dancing in the room in front of mirror. So we were
Uh,
just, we were just surprised that what happened to
hmm.
you. We asked her, and we were just laughing, fools
Hmm.
on that day. So these
Hmm.
are these kind of surprising things, or like you can say, means there is nothing special about that incident. She was just dancing, and we were just surprised that she was saying that she is not well, and now she is dancing in front of mirror. So
Hmm.
these kind of incidents make me laugh harder.
Right, right.
Yeah, and there are lots of movies I like to see. And it is my these are my personally all time favorite movies, because after seeing these movies, or after having a good laugh, I feel stress free, or
Hmm.
means, because nowadays I feel that no one laughs that much,
Right.
right? Everyone just gives smiles to each other, means everyone have just normal smiles, but there is no
Right.
big laugh, I
Hmm.
feel. So, and currently we cannot meet our friends, we cannot, and over the phone there is no aura of that kind of aura. So that's why we are not getting a chance to laugh in that way. So,
Hmm.
but after seeing these movies, I feel that I feel stress free. Or after having a good laugh, I feel that there is some peace, and there is some good things as well in the life we can enjoy. There is, life is not all about the stress only. So, like there are 2 or 3 movies like Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and second is Malamal Weekly, and third
Hmm.
is Bhagam Bhag. There are in these movies there are specific scenes I feel that in which I just wait for those scenes, that okay, when these scenes will come, and I will laugh loud. I will laugh loud, as I
Hmm.
know myself that
Hmm.
I will start laughing. So these
Okay.
kind of I will everyone will say that these are the nonsense things that on which you are laughing, but I do not know that why I get I get a lot of laugh on these kind of
Mm-hmm.
incidents.
Okay, right. All right. You can say that you have not told me the situation.
Yeah, situation I told you about my friend that she was dancing in front of mirror. Actually, there is
Hmm.
not. I cannot generalize, Malvika, that okay, I will get the
Uh-huh.
laugh on this kind of situation. If this happen, I will get a laugh, right?
Hmm.
Because I can only share the experience about my life, that on which incident, on what kind of incidents I get I
Hmm.
laughed. So these are not, I cannot generalize these things, because sometimes your mood is
Hmm.
not okay, and if the incidence is happening there and your mood is not okay, then you are not in a mood to laugh,
Hmm.
right? So
Right.
I cannot generalize the thing, but I can share my experience about the about my laughing situations.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. You can generalize in this way that
Hmm.
laughing is a best part, is a best, it is a kind of a good medicine, that
Yes, yes.
laughing is important.
Hmm.
And if we are not laughing in a day, we are losing something in a day.
Yes,
So
yes.
it has to be seen that
Hmm.
laughing is very, very important and significant. And if
Yes,
we do not
even
laugh, it is said that laughing is the best medicine.
yeah, I even I can feel it, because my mother my mother do she is a comic kind of person, I feel.
Hmm.
Every time she cracks a joke, it is not the not the traditional kind of joke we get on the forwards. It's not like
Hmm.
that. It's just about some situation that she taunts in that way that
Yeah.
everyone laugh. So I just sometimes I talk to her to get me out of that stress situation, because I know she will say something like this, and I will laugh about that
We can
incident.
say that in this scenario of the pandemic, laughing is very important and being positive is very important.
Very
If
important,
the
because
one person will not be very, very positive, such thing
yes,
cannot happen.
yes, yes, yes,
And
right.
with this kind of a thing, things will not work out if we are not in a positive way or positive direction.
Yes, yes, yes,
That
yes,
is what.
Malvika. Yes,
Okay. You can
yeah.
jot down few points on this, please, because you are, I think, not clear with the topic. Please jot down few points.
Actually, I still know, I do not know that what exactly I need to write about, because you asked me that what makes me laugh, right? And
Okay, if you
I
are through, then leave this. We can go to other topic. What are
yeah,
the
yeah.
best effective ways for the communication skills?
Best effective ways for the communication skills.
Yeah, Taisha, I'll take you
Yes.
another 1 minute.
Okay.
All right.
Malvika, can we start? Hello.
I'm taking Taisha right now.
Okay, okay. If
Hello.
Taisha is ready,
Sakshi, you
then it
can
is
speak
okay.
after this then.
Yes.
Yes, Taisha, yeah. Open your camera once.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these are some points I have written. So uh, if we are making our conversation with someone, so our conversation should be clear and concrete. Because what happens basically every time we talk everything, but we
Hmm.
forgot to talk the main point what we supposed to talk.
Hmm.
So that should be your talk should be clear and concrete. And
Hmm.
second thing, it's very important obviously listening. If you're not listening properly to your someone else, you're not gonna be answer, and you're
Hmm.
definitely gonna be fumble. And third thing is basically very important, I guess. Don't take more time to talk. If
Hmm.
you wanna talk something, or if you gonna give you information something, you should
Hmm.
take very small, and try to make your conversation small and clear,
Hmm.
so that one can also take interest on it.
Yeah.
If you're talking to me like 5 or 10 minutes, I'll be definitely losing my interest.
Hmm.
So your talk should be like small and
Hmm.
informative. Yes.
Small and crisp and informative
Yeah,
and
yeah, crisp.
knowledgeable.
Yes.
Small and crisp. I'm writing this in the chat box also.
Sure.
Informative and knowledgeable.
Hmm.
Knowledgeable. Yes, sir. Knowledgeable. Knowledgeable. Okay. And what else? And what
And
else?
make your conversation interesting, so that if I am talking to you, you should also take interest on it. And also we need to take care of it. If I am talking to you, so I am
Hmm.
also taking care of this thing, that you are also answering me
Hmm.
properly, so that a conversation should be both way,
Hmm.
not should be one way only.
Hmm. Hmm.
So these things should be taken care, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your topic was what are the various ways to improve the conversational skills?
Second topic.
No, I have given you this topic. What are the various ways to improve the conversational skills?
Acha, I have not written.
What was your topic?
My topic was various ways to start your conversation.
Various ways to
Acha, okay.
improve the conversational skills. You can talk on this after 2 minutes then.
Improve your
Yes.
conversations.
Yes, Sakshi.
Yes, Malvika. So
Yeah.
my topic was effective ways of communication, right?
Hmm.
So as I actually it is somewhat related to my earlier topic, that
Hmm.
effective ways or of conversation, how to make a conversation effective. So as I said in that topic also, that everyone should be alert while listening to someone,
Hmm.
right? We should listen each and every point in detail, so that we can converse with someone in a
Hmm.
better way, or
Hmm.
we can converse about each and every detail of that thing.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that would be that would be a key point. And second, I feel to make your communication effective is your confidence. Because if you wear your confidence, if you have a good confidence, then it make a good impact in that communication, or the audience, or the I will
Hmm.
say it will give a good impact on the audience. And it will I feel that it will encourage the audience to listen you more. I feel
Hmm.
if
Hmm.
you speak with the confidence. Even if
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I feel that there are lots of speakers who doesn't say meaningful things or valuable things, but still they
Huh.
have confidence. So that's why we see their videos till the end, just
Huh.
to
Huh.
know that how they are speaking, how they are, holding themselves with a lot of
Mm-hmm.
confidence. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the second basic point of effective communication, I feel. And the
Mm-hmm.
third thing I feel is vocabulary.
Yeah.
Nowadays there is a, lots of vocabulary we can find out over the YouTube or over the internet, that are that is, we can say, is the new vocabulary in the trend, which is replacing our traditional words like very,
Mm-hmm.
especially this very word,
Mm-hmm.
right? If we are using good vocabulary, it will always leave a good impact on the audience. If we, if we speak with the good phrases, good vocabulary, or
Mm-hmm.
so these will make you a great communicator. And the second
Yeah.
thing is second and the fourth thing I feel is that sometimes as we are not as we are in the learning stage, so I feel that sometimes we use the words that are not proper substitute, or we can say that are not the proper fitted in that sentence or in that scenario. I feel we
Mm-hmm.
just use them because we do not have the vocabulary. Second, we use them because we know that other person will understand the context, right? But they
Mm-hmm.
are not the proper words to be fitted in
Mm-hmm.
that sentence. So
Right.
if you are using the proper sentence, and if you are able to deliver your emotions to the
Hmm.
audience, or if audience is able to feel your emotions whatever you are saying, so that would be effective communication, I
Mm-hmm.
feel, if you are using the proper words. And what was the last one? Last one is, I feel, is that we should not ignore the key point.
Mm-hmm.
I feel the topic, I can say, that what is your main topic, what you why you are here, means for which you are here to talk about. So
Mm-hmm.
that, your conversation always should be moving around that topic only. So that
Okay.
is these are my 5 or 6 points for effective communication.
Right. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
These points are important. Effective ways of communication is there so that
Mhm.
the things can be
Mhm.
understood and everything can be
Mhm.
equalized and everything can be generalized at the similar point of time.
Yes,
And
yes,
also, we can say that best effective ways for communicating is that one person should have a good eye contact with the other person so that
yes,
it
yes,
should
yes.
be an effective way to deal with the things.
Mhm.
And
Yes.
one should have a clarity over what one is speaking. If you are not speaking
Mhm.
effectively, the conversation is useless.
Mhm. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes,
Whose
Malvika,
phone is
right.
ringing?
No, it's my husband's phone
All
actually.
right. Huh.
Mm.
And then the other way for effective way for communication is that
Mhm.
um, the things which are probably required with the help
Hmm.
of
Yeah, Malvika, actually, I feel whenever I see the YouTube videos, so
mhm,
sometimes there are the same thoughts which are in my mind, okay? But
mhm,
whenever I say it to you or it to someone else, so I do not use the proper words, I feel. But whenever sometime I see these thoughts in the YouTube videos, or in whenever I read the books, so in these books they are properly explained with the proper words, proper
mhm,
vocabulary. And when I read the book, when I read the
mhm,
those thoughts in the book, then I feel that
mhm,
okay, this was I was searching for, this was the
mhm,
thought in my mind, but I was not able to deliver it properly to other person
mhm.
in English language. So I feel that it's somewhere I lack in the using proper words, or I
Right.
found in
So
a big
need of a proper words and proper ideas
uh,
also has to be generalized in one's
general.
mind.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Taisha, yes, your point. Your
Yes.
points for the topic.
So my topic
This is
is
you in the
how.
picture. This was you in the picture.
Yes.
No, blue sari.
Yeah.
Your profile pic.
Yes, yes, yes.
Acha, okay. You're going somewhere?
Today,
No, no, no. That time when the pic has been
that
uploaded.
time, that picture was from my class 11th.
Acha,
I don't know
farewell.
when I have uploaded. I have no idea.
Farewell.
Yeah, I can say. Huh,
Acha, okay.
maybe or
Farewell.
maybe not.
Okay. All right.
So,
Huh.
how to make your conversation, how to make your conversation improve? So,
Improve. What are the various ways to
huh,
improve the conversational skills?
improve your conversation. So, first of all, I feel like talk slowly
Hmm.
because same thing, if you're talking in a hurry, you're
Hmm.
not be able to express your whole thing to you or
Hmm.
to whatever you're talking. So
Hmm.
your talk should be slowly and
Hmm.
tactically.
Huh.
And another thing is hold your eye contacts also. Eye contacts is also very important, plays
Hmm.
very important role. If I am I am taking care of my eye contact with you or someone else, that make me feel sometimes, after sometimes
Hmm.
get me confident.
Hmm.
If I losing my eye contacts, after some time while speaking, I'll be little bit of um, uh, what to say, confident ka ulta,
Not timid.
or not confident or not be comfortable,
Timid.
you can say.
Timid. Timid. Timid.
Timid, yeah. And third thing, I think, notice your detail, whatever you're speaking, that should
Hmm.
be noticed. Whatever you're speaking, whatever words you are using, so that
Hmm.
should be also work on it. And
Hmm.
third thing, give start try to create your conversation so that you
Hmm.
can speak more. And if you're speaking more, obviously your conversation gonna be like better and better
Hmm.
every day.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Practice more, learn more also. And
Yes.
try to your conversation, best use best words also. So
Yes.
basically the thing is ki, maintain your vocabulary first,
Hmm. Hmm.
and
Hmm.
create your word, create your sentences, then
Yeah.
start conversation to another one.
Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. Next will be what makes you laugh aloud.
Me me
Laugh aloud.
Okay.
And what would be the topic for me, Malvika?
Sakshi, yours. Do you think
Mm-hmm.
crying is also a part of emoting?
Uh, what?
Crying.
I didn't get the point. I didn't get the
Crying is
topic.
also a part and parcel of emotions, of feelings.
Okay,
Do
crying.
you think
Yeah,
crying is
crying.
also crying, Rona
Okay, okay, yes, yes. Crying is a part and
is also
parcel
a
of
part of
emotions.
emoting feelings and emotions.
Okay, you mean to say that if we are expressing our emotions, then
Through
crying is
crying,
via crying.
through
So
crying
it is
via crying, yeah. So it is also part of
part of
emoting of feelings and
showing
emotions.
showing the emotions.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, go on. Think for 5 minutes and then go on.
okay, fine, Malika.
Yeah.
Malvika, can we start?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely, in especially in my case, I feel that I show my emotions via crying a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Not show, at least I can, when till the time I do not cry out. It sometimes it's always irritates me, these emotions inside.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And it's whether it is an anger, whether it is a happy mode. In both the modes, I till the time I do not cry out, I feel there is something wrong inside me.
Mm-hmm.
I and even in most of the cases, there is since the past 8 years, there is a lots of ups and downs in my life.
Mm-hmm.
So during those ups and downs, I feel I experienced about myself is that you know once I will cry a lot. After that, I will get comfortable, or after that, I will get the energy to fight back with that situation, I feel.
Mm-hmm.
Or I get a lot of energy, or I can say that once that emotions get out of me, so I feel that now I am back and I can fight out with that situation.
Mm-hmm.
Or it's okay, this was when I done with my crying part, then I
Mm-hmm.
console myself,
Mm-hmm.
and say myself that this is it. I have cried out, and now I know that I will handle the situation with very with the in a very calm way, or in a
Mm-hmm.
peaceful way. So yeah, it is right, it is very much right. If any person is comfortable in that situation, if he or she is feeling that after crying, or after showing my emotions via crying, it would be better for myself, or it would be better for my mind and my heart, or I will
Mm-hmm.
be at peace. So I feel that there is nothing bad in crying, or
Uh-huh.
showing your emotions via crying. And
Right.
generally in my case, what happens, I do not cry in front of people, until unless it is the case of my father. uh, when the when there is a talk about my father, then I am very
Mm-hmm.
emotional person
Mm-hmm.
about that part of my life. So
Right.
until unless there is no talk of my father, and if I am
Mm-hmm.
getting hurt, then I will go to some alone place, and then I will cry out, and then I will get back to the that situation, that nothing
Mm-hmm.
happens and I am very much normal. So
Mm-hmm.
if someone is getting normal and someone is not hurting anyone via crying, till the time it is
Mm-hmm.
very much good.
Uh,
So I feel that there is nothing wrong in showing your emotions
mm-hmm.
via crying.
Okay, good. You can always say that with the help of this crying element, or
Yes.
with the help of this element of crying, we can
Mm-hmm.
always emote ourselves and
Mm-hmm.
shower our feelings from this end also.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
venting out our anger and venting out our feelings can also be
Mm-hmm.
emoted through tears.
Tears. Yes, yes.
So venting out these things can also be done with the help of crying, and
Crying.
we should not.
Mm.
Uh,
Feel embarrassed or
we should at least
about.
think that
Mm.
something has gonna be all right
Mm-hmm.
if we are shedding down the tears
Tears.
from
Mm.
our end also.
Mm-hmm. Right. Correct.
Okay, Taisha, you are ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, go on.
So my topic was what makes me laugh.
What
So
makes you
first,
laugh aloud?
yeah. So first thing, spending my time with my family, that makes me so happy and makes me so laugh.
Hmm.
And also reading book. I don't generally read many books, but very honestly, but I used to watch many videos, or comedy videos, or YouTube videos, or this kind of videos. That makes me also very gives me some positive energy and makes me laugh. And another thing,
Just a
I
second, just a second.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes. And I'm a kind of person who is like, cannot be stay in one thing. I love to experimenting different kind of things. If you talk about hairstyling, if you talk about makeup sessions, or if you talk
Hmm.
about dressing sense, so that also makes me laugh a lot. So
Hmm.
I always try to experiment with myself, with my clothes, with my hair, with my makeup and everything.
Hmm.
And one more thing also, and we are I am still live with my friends. So
Hmm.
we generally used to do ki,
Hmm.
listen, you do my makeup, I'll do your makeup, Mickey Mouse makeup or cat makeup, anything. We do did make we do generally makeup, we make videos, fun videos, comedy videos. And after watching this we laugh a lot. And
Hmm.
another thing is being around the kids. My nephew have in my house if I go somewhere
Hmm.
sometimes. During this covid pandemic, I was in my hometown. So
Hmm.
my nephew was there. So whole day I was working with my struggle, my office and work and everything.
Hmm.
And I get so tired, so stressed out.
Hmm.
Then if when I spend my only 1 hour with my nephew,
Hmm.
I forgot everything. I played
Hmm.
with him, I laughed with him, I do everything with him. And that makes me so happy, that gives me
Hmm.
so energetic. He makes me so energetic. I run behind him. And
Hmm.
that makes me laugh a lot.
Hmm.
So I love spending time with him. And another thing,
Whom are you
should
talking about?
I'm talking about to my nephew.
Nephew. Acha,
Yes.
okay. हाँ.
So yeah, and he's very crazy. He's just 2 years old, but
अच्छा.
he used to say me like he's not able to talk properly. So
हम्म.
he used to say me tick 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 tick.
हम्म.
It's Taisha, so tick tick.
अच्छा. हाँ
So
हाँ.
whenever I used to call him video call or any normal call, so I just
हम्म.
say hi, hi Munni. I used to say
हाँ.
Munni. So
हाँ.
he tick 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 tick.
हाँ.
He get crazy on it.
हाँ.
So
हाँ.
I can spend my hours and hours with him. And also
हम्म.
I am a pet lover. So I had my cat. And these days, so I lost my cat because she died due to some reason.
Oh.
So I missed her so much. So could I yeah, I am not getting that much potential ki I can get another cat, because I
Okay.
don't want to get into that which I have
Right.
felt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So being around like pets also make you laugh and also gives you positive signs and positive energy.
Right. Right.
And
You
having
can
fun with your
say
family,
that.
having dinner with your family also makes you positive and laugh.
You can say that.
Yeah.
Making you laugh aloud, meaning situations that make you feel laugh aloud, the persons which make you feel laugh aloud, the crazy things of the family. What is this?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Which what make you feel laugh aloud.
Hmm.
So such kind of things make you feel laugh aloud at every point of time.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Done.
All right, chalo, theek hai. A few minutes are left, then we can wind up. Sakshi, I'm winding up because we have done two, three topics in between. Sakshi, Sakshi, are you there?
Yes, Malvika.
Yeah, we have completed a lot many topics today. Tomorrow we'll start with the newer ones.
Okay, okay,
All
Malvika.
right, okay. ठीक है, bye. Thank you, Taisha.
Thank
Taisha,
you.
Thank
your name
you.
is also Sakshi.
Yes.
Okay, Sakshi is just Sakshi only.
Okay, she is also the Sakshi,
See,
but
she is also Sakshi. Yeah, and there is
her
third
name is
Sakshi. There are
name
three
is
Sakshis.
okay, but her name is displaying as Taisha.
Yes,
That's
yes.
the
My name is
profile
Taisha
picture
also.
name. Your name
Okay.
is Taisha also.
Yes, yes.
Taisha is your home name.
Yes. My nickname.
Okay, Taisha.
Yeah.
All right. ठीक है, meet tomorrow then. Bye. Take care.
Same
Bye.
here.
You
Bye
can
bye.
sleep now.
Thank you.
Good night. Bye bye.
Bye.